The rest of it's fine. It's just a zipper, right? It doesn't attract a lot of dust and stuff. The dust doesn't stick to it the way it does other lubricants. Welcome to Brian's Mobile One. I'm going to show you how to fix a zipper on pretty much any boat cover, ATV, whatever kind of cover. These zippers get stuck. Let me show you what I mean. I'll show you how to fix it. This has been sitting in the sun and dust and wind for 2 years. And I did this earlier, but it's like it won't go past this point. It just kind of gets stuck. You can see that there's a bunch of dust and everything in this. We're not really going to clean it. I'm going to see if I can get it to at least... Alright, now we're screwed. You ever been here and you're just like, I don't want to buy a new cover, or the rest of it's fine, it's just a zipper, right? So here's how you fix it. It's one of those aerosol can solutions. So I like to work with a straw on it. If you push it normally, it comes out way too fast. It just like psh, everywhere. But if you drag it down the middle of the zipper and you get the tension just right, it looks like some kind of magic fairy dust or something on a Disney movie. It's like Tinkerbell came through and fixed this. You just drag it just a little bit. So there's different kinds of silicone. There's silicone gasket maker. This is a silicone lubricant. I don't care what brand you use. I will have a link in the description. If you want to support the channel, I am an Amazon link affiliate. If you get this on your cover, you know what happens to your cover? It absolutely melts like the Witch of the West. No, it waterproofs it. It doesn't hurt it at all. I just like to be clean. So really you could do this. Waterproofing agent on a lot of camping gear. Spray silicone, just not as heavy. Usually have to work it a little bit for it to be effective. It doesn't take very long at all. Way better. So that's still got some work to do. Nice thing about silicone, I mean, why don't do WD-40? Why don't you do some other kind of thing? And the answer to that is silicone works better and it's dry. It doesn't attract a lot of dust and stuff. The dust doesn't stick to it the way it does other lubricants. And it has that waterproofing or water repelling property to it. It just gives you a nice smooth zipper. This will soak in and dry. It may take a couple of hours for that to happen, but what a quick fix, right? Remember how hard this was before? The rest of it's fine. It's just a zipper, right? So there you know. If you want to subscribe, you can. Thumbs up, it helps people find it. Thanks for watching.